reading your comments. I can't be vegan because I'm allergic to nuts. Just don't eat them. Eat one of the thousands of other foods in the store. Are you vegan yet? What are you waiting for? Are you vegan yet? Open the vegan door. Hey. Yes, Bella? The reason I became vegan, or how I became vegan, is because I was vegetarian for quite a few years, and then I realized that it wasn't good enough when I found out about the dairy industry. So then I became vegan, but it was kind of a bumpy road. That's why I say it takes 100 clicks to become vegan, because it's really not easy, because society has so much pressure on us. And but now I'm fully vegan. I've been vegan since June 27th, 2016, and I haven't looked back. And now the only thing I can say is I wish I'd done it sooner. Like most people who are finally become vegan, they finally really get past their cognitive dissonance, which I had to, just like all of you. I eat meat, everything, just like you guys, so I totally understand you. That's why I give you a kick in the butt, because that's what I needed. Go to howdoigovegan.com, sing it with me. howdoigovegan.com. Reading your comments. I can't be vegan because I don't like soy milk. Suck it up. Learn to love it like the rest of us did, or go buy oat milk. Be vegan. Are you vegan yet? Are you vegan yet? What are you waiting for? Are you vegan yet? Are you vegan yet? Open the vegan door. Saving animals begins with you. If your neighbor can be vegan, then so can you. You're asking about the warm blueberries that I put on my toast. Well, they're really good. Sometimes I put a little bit of maple syrup in there. We don't use honey because we're vegan, but they make them really sweet, and I use it instead of jam now. I don't buy jam anymore. Just put warm fruit. Look in the mirror and sing this song. Sing, I will be brave, I'll be vegan from now on. Look in your heart and sing this song. Sing, I will be brave, I'll be vegan from now on. Eat only healthy vegan things. Never eat anyone's arms, legs, or wings. Don't eat anyone who has ears or eyes. Make sure when you eat that nobody cries. Break old habits you had for years. Save animals from so much terror and tears. Train yourself to always be in the mood to only buy healthy vegan food. Sing this song and declare it. I'll be vegan from now on. Declare it. Put your hand on your heart and sing it loudly. Today is the day I will start. I'll be vegan from now on. Today is the first day of the rest of your life. You can choose to be vegan. You can start right now to be part of the solution instead of part of the problem. You got this. Cat milk is for baby cats. Dog milk is for baby dogs. Human milk is for baby humans. And cow's milk is for Gordon Ramsay. What the fuck? How old is he? Gordon Ramsay gave me a nickname. Look how lucky I am. But what's really a mystery to me is how he can think it's funny to encourage millions of people to sentence millions of innocent 6-month-old baby pigs into gas chambers and turn them into ham. Be as vegan as possible and start today. Be as vegan as possible and start today. Be as vegan as possible and start today. You can do it. Hip, hip, hooray. Today is the first day of the rest of your life. There are animals right now still alive who have not yet been killed for meals you are about to have. You can save them. Go vegan. Don't ask me why I'm vegan. Ask yourself why you are not. take this bag of nuts away from me before I eat the whole thing? This is Bella Vegan Dog. She's been vegan since August 2017. Her dog food looks like regular kibble, except that it doesn't contain any dead animal products. It's formulated scientifically by vets to make sure it's 100% healthy and based only on plants. It also has an important ingredient called taurine in it to make sure that she stays very healthy. The reason we started feeding Bella vegan dog food is because somebody pointed out to us that we're not really vegan if we still pay people to murder animals for our dog. And if we don't have to, why would we continue? And so we evolved, we grew, and we changed. Most people wouldn't be able to, by themselves, go out and kill a chicken, a pig, or a cow and feed it to their own dog. They would look into the animal's eyes and think, I don't want to hurt you. And so why would you? Why would you pay someone else to do it? For vegan dog food, check out the link in my bio. Today is the first day of the rest of your life. From now on, every time you go shopping, only put veggies, fruits, nuts, and seeds in your shopping cart. Peace begins on your plate, so open up your heart. Reading your comments. Girl, our country is in chaos. Fuck the animals, we have bigger problems like our government collapsing. Somebody else responds, what about the environmental issues about animal agriculture? It's way more important to save the earth. My response to this is that everything is important and everything is connected. But it's easy to point the finger at others, isn't it? Look, you just go like this. Super easy. What's not so easy, but what is required, is every single day that you put some food on your plate, that it doesn't involve the death and exploitation of animals. That is something that each of us can do. So instead of pointing the finger at everybody else, make sure that you become vegan. Go to howdoigovegan.com and it will, in the long term, save the planet and yourself and the animals. Reading your comments. Can I ask you something? Why did I get so fucking sick when I tried to go vegan? This is by Soner Fluff. Sorry, I realize it's backwards when you look at it. The reason that you got ill has nothing to do with you being vegan. People get sick anyway. People get colds, they feel bad, they get headaches. If you only ate French fries and drank Coke, you're probably gonna get sick. If you follow Dr. Greger's app or go to chronometer.com and put in the foods that you eat, you will know exactly what you did wrong. You need to eat lentils and spinach and beans and pasta and potatoes and whole healthy foods. A big smoothie every morning. You can do it. I can't force you to do anything. I can't force you to do what's right. All I can do is hope that you think of them the next time you pick up your fork and you take a bite. Congratulations! You've been vegan now for 3 months? That's so awesome! Happy Vegan Declaration Day to you! Happy Vegan Declaration Day to you! Well, you've been vegan for a lifetime or just a minute. Welcome to the club. We're so glad you're in it. Happy Vegan Declaration Day to you! Happy Vegan Declaration Day to you! Everywhere around the world, animals are lining up to thank you for your compassion and for allowing your heart to open up. Hey kids, just because you grew up in a family where somebody hunted doesn't mean you have to carry on the tradition. But if you really want to keep hunting, hunt like this. And gather your tofu. Eat dates, not dogs, eat dates, not dogs, eat dates, but don't eat frogs. Eat dates, not dogs, eat dates, not dogs, eat dates, but don't eat frogs. Sing this song and be vegan from now on, yeah! Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now.